In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a report from your dashboard. Let's get started by focusing on where we need to go first. If you're navigating your dashboard, you might notice the Reports tab among the options available. Now, sometimes things might not be where you expect them to be, especially when you're toggling between different options. If that's the case and you can't easily spot the Reports tab, don't worry. There's a handy feature that can come to your rescue, the App Launcher. You might recognize it as the waffle icon, named for its resemblance to a grid of small squares. This app launcher is your shortcut to quickly search and access various tools within the application. Simply click on it, type in reports in the search bar, and it will direct you straight to your destination. Once you're in the reports section, you'll be met with a list of all the reports you have access to. Your next step is to locate the specific report you want to download. Go through your list, and once you've identified the right one, click to open it. This will bring you to a detailed view of your report, where you can examine the data more closely. Now, to proceed with downloading the report, direct your attention to a small but significant detail, a down arrow, which also might appear as a drop-down icon. This is typically located next to the report's title or sometimes in the top right corner of your screen. By clicking on this arrow, a menu will extend outwards, presenting you with several options. Among these, you will find the Export option, which is essential for saving your report onto your device. Choosing export will usually prompt another series of options regarding file formats. This step is important because selecting the right format can affect how you work with your data later. Common choices include CSV and Excel formats, which work seamlessly with spreadsheet applications. Confirm your selection and your report will begin downloading automatically. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of downloading a report. Easy when you know the right steps to follow. Remember, accessing and compiling data efficiently allows you to focus on analyzing and driving decisions based on that information. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments. See you in the next video.